wonderful good morning, dear students. Today, in this lesson, we are going to cover the last type of hardware, that is storage devices and softwares and types of software. So, let's start. First is, what are storage devices? The storage devices are those devices which help us to store our data. For example, at our home, we use Almira to store or place our clothes, to store the various things. So the Almira is work as the storage place for us. Similarly, in the computer, we want to store different pictures, files, songs, movies, etc. So we need some space where we can store different files, pictures, movies, songs, or we can say that we can store data in our computer. So we need some space. That space is called storage space, and the devices which provide us the storage space are called storage devices. Now in the computer or laptop, hard disk is the main storage device which stores the entire work we do on computer. If you are using computer or laptop, every computer and laptop have one storage device inside it, that is called hard disk, which contain each and everything that we store in our computer. And next, they have given us two more storage devices which you can attach to your computer or your laptop. The one is CD and the other is pen drive. The CD stands for compact disc. It's look like that, which is also used to store the data. Next is pen drive. This is very common storage devices nowadays. This is very small in size, but it store large amount of data. And what you have to do to use this, you just attach the pen drive to your computer or your laptop, then you can see the data that is stored in the pen drive. So this is all about your storage devices. Next, we are going to discuss about software. Now, what is software? When we have discussed hardware, we learn that the parts of the computer which you can touch and see are called hardware. So the softwares is that part of computer which cannot be seen and touched. Like, which parts of the computer you cannot touch are called softwares. And to make the hardware work, you need to have software in it. Let's understand with the help of examples. For the working of any machine or any device, hardware and software both are very compulsory. For example, they have taken one example. All of you must have seen or used music system. The parts like speakers, cassette, tape, etc., which you can touch and see, are called hardware. Now inside these cassettes, what we have? We have different songs which we cannot see, which we cannot touch. So the songs are software. Similarly, in the computer, we can touch keyboard, we can touch mouse, we can touch monitor screen. But if we are talking about MS Paint, we are drawing on MS Paint, we can draw the picture by using mouse, but we cannot touch the MS Paint. So MS Paint is the software. When you touch your monitor with your hand, it means that you are touching monitor screen. not MS Paint. So the parts of the computer which you cannot touch is called software, and the parts of the computer which you can touch is called hardware. The next is types of software. There are two types of software. One is system software and the second is application software. Let's discuss system software first. In the third chapter, in the last chapter, we had discussed about operating system. So what is operating system? Operating system is a software which control overall working of the computer. Those softwares which control the working of system, which control all the activities of the particular system, that softwares, those softwares are called system softwares. Like, it is a set of the program that control the overall working of computer. Like, operating system is controlling the working of computer. It manages everything, it manages parts of the computer, other user. So the operating system is a type of system software. They have taken the example of car here. It has petrol engine wheels, but it is not moving. When it will move only when the driver starts it. So the driver is the operator of the car. So we can see that the driver works as the system software. Like the similar way, operating system is the driver of computer which makes it run. So operating system is a example of system software. Next is application software. Now what are application softwares? The software which does a specific type of the work, like MS Paint. Which specific type of the work it do? It's used to draw pictures, games. Which specific type of the work it do? It is used for playing. Calculator, which specific type of the work it do? It use for calculation. So those software which do some specific type of the work which we create to fulfill specific type of the work, those softwares are called application softwares. For example, you have a juicer in your house. What do you do with that? You can only extract juice of fruits and vegetable with it. This indicate that you can do specific type of the job with one machine. So similarly, in that way, those software which fulfill our specific need, by using which you can do specific type of the job, those softwares are called application softwares. I hope you understand the topic well. Please go through it very properly. Thank you.